This is Lillie's Gold Barbecue Sauce. It's a product that I am product testing. And I poured it on top of Barbara's Food stuffed chicken breast with scallop and lobster stuffing. And I am going to be eating it this way. Just wanted you to see. This is what it looks like on top of the stuffed chicken breast. Just came out the oven, so I wanted to give it a few minutes to cool. Has a very tangy taste, the way I like food. It's not overpowering. It has like a little spicy taste to it, but it's really, really good. The aftertaste is more of a hot spicy, and I'm into hot spicy foods. And I'm truly, truly enjoying this. So the next time I'm in a grocery store, I'm going to look for Lillie's Gold Barbecue Sauce. And if you would like to try it, go sign up with socialnature.com. They're a product testing community, and they always need new people. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you've ever had any of Lillie's Barbecue Gold Sauce, positive and negative reviews are always welcome.